Hi! In front of me is GOOGLEPixelFold, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. First of all, you need to open Messages app and select one of your chats. Then click on this little plus at the bottom left corner of chat window. And to add an audio file, click on Files section. Now you can look for your file over here. Click on one of those apps or click on those three lines at the top left corner to access one of those sources. You can also click on Audio Filter at the top. When you're ready, hold your file that you wish to add and click on Select at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, my audio file was successfully attached. If you wish to add a video one, click on the same plus, but this time tap on the Gallery section. Now you can look for your video and click on it right away. Then select Google Photos link or low quality video and click on Add in the pop-up. You can also select this little gallery icon. Look for your video here and click on it, or even access folders and look for it the same way as an audio file. Then hold it and choose Select at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!